Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here. Just finished up the second edition of Mortgage Nerd Interviews with Drew Kern, top realtor at Berkshire Hathaway's EWM. Tune in, see, you might learn something new in real estate. Check it out. I did a series of recession indicators because there were looks like recession was coming and now things have kind of recovered, but of course that might just be that it'll go back to those indicators as well. And it got a lot of people asking me, worried, saying, oh, what do you think in the next recession? Are we going to see the values crash? Are we going to see, and I always tell them, I said, well, you're only thinking of the last recession, not the previous three where we saw appreciation. What do you see that's different in this market versus the last market where we saw that massive depreciation?
I think it's night and day differences. We saw 29% annual appreciation in home values 3 years in a row. 29% annual appreciation. That's not sustainable. No one's income goes up by 29% a year, not even a realtor in that market. So you're in a situation where there need to be a correction. In my opinion, the market here in South Florida, we've seen a little bit of that already in prices kind of flattening out and inventory at levels that it's not 2 months of inventory, it's 6-7 months of inventory, more of what we call a balanced market. So employment is great. We have very little unemployment. So people are working, they've got money, they've got spending money, they've got housing money. You're seeing it in the loans that you're doing. So I don't think we're not nearly as leveraged as we were in the early 2000s where people just didn't have any equity. So I don't think there's a real correlation between what we saw in that recession and where we are today. I mean, we're seeing buyers still getting great deals on homes and sellers willing to accept where the market is for their properties and move on. So as long as we've got that relationship and people are working, it's a little bit of self-fulfilling prophecy too. You walk around telling everyone the sky's going to fall, well, eventually they're going to believe it. You look at the indicators and the market where we were in August to now, and there's much more optimism on where we're headed and much more, I guess, much less concern about the recession coming.
Hope you enjoyed that. Remember, every Tuesday, 11 a.m., Mortgage Nerd Interviews, not just going to be people in real estate and mortgages, people from all types of industries and businesses. Tune in and forward, share, subscribe, pound that like button if you like what you see. Thanks a lot. I appreciate the support. Mortgage Nerd out.